Well, people seem to love the sawmilling videos, and it's been a long cold winter and I had no interest in getting the sawmill out, and this is really the first nice day this spring, and I have a few little things that need to be resawn. First up is these oak timbers, and they're 12 by 6, and I sawed them for a gentleman 2 years ago. They've been sitting out in the weather, and he wants to make some bookcase shelves, and he doesn't want to buy any wood. I said, well, why don't we just resaw this oak into some boards, and we can make bookcase shelves. So that's what I'm going to do. It's currently 12 inches, but I think I'm going to take a cut off of each side and rip it down to 10 inches, and then I'm only going to get like 5 boards out of it. I'll probably cut off the crappy looking top and get 4 or 5 boards out of the middle, and then we'll put the short one on, and we'll do the exact same thing. So here it goes, 2022 LT40 sawing wood. I'm gonna saw up the other little piece, and then yeah, we'll show you coming off the mill. Not bad looking stuff. I don't know if you can see that. And it's free. Almost free. All right, this same gentleman needed one more 3x5. He's using them for fake beams in the ceiling in this room, and he needed one more. So I think I can pull something out of the stock we have. So this is a 6x6. I don't know how long it is. So it's a 16 footer, so I'm going to, actually it's got to be 3x5, I think. He gave me the scrap end of one of them. Yeah. So I'll cut it to a 3x5. I'll probably clean up the top edge. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Here goes. All right, that's it for this order, 3x5. And I've got a few things to do for myself before while the sawmill is out. So stick around. All right, I'll show you what I was creating here. So I put these on the mill because they're 19 feet long, and it was just easier to resaw them all at once. And I resawed them into 3 1/8, which is the strangest thing, but basically what's going to happen, these are all part of the soffit. This is the soffit vent, which I spray painted this morning. And I'm going to get these things to cooperate. Probably not. So this is actually the upper side. You'll be looking at it from the other side. And I needed it needs to total less than 9 inches. So it's 8 3/4. So these were ripped to 3 1/8. So I'm going to actually, that's it for the sawing video today. I'm going to spend the rest of the day staining these black, and tomorrow start a video on putting up the soffit, because the birds are trying to nest in our house and I don't want them in the house. All right, that's the end of this quick video. Sawn 2022, I guess that's what it is. Anyways, stick around for more videos.